Hey everyone, welcome back to the TikTok Automation Software channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to keep your TikTok accounts active automatically using the interaction script feature inside MKT Tik Pro. Here's how you use it. First, go to the interaction script section in MKT Tik Pro. Create your interaction scenario, for example. Watch videos on the For You page. Like a few videos. Leave comments on specific content. Or search videos by keyword and interact. Select the TikTok accounts you want to run the script on. Keep the schedule consistent, daily or hourly routines work best. Once it's all set, hit start, and the software will begin running the interaction tasks automatically. Running regular interactions like this makes your accounts look real, and that's important if you want to avoid bans, build trust, or prep them for bigger marketing campaigns. So if you're managing a system of TikTok accounts, the interaction script is something you absolutely need to be using. And if you want to try MKT Tik Pro or need help getting started, feel free to reach out. All contact details via Telegram and WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.